Okay, I'd like to tell you today about Google Documents and how you can use it as a means of storing documents and sharing documents and folders with your students. If you're not sure where to find Google Documents, if you go to your University of Sheffield email and then click up here in the top left where it says Documents, this will take you to the Google Documents page. By default, you have 1 gigabyte of storage here. Now, when you're on this Google Documents screen, probably the first thing you may want to do is to upload some documents to it, maybe a Word document or a folder of documents. So let's just go ahead and explain how you can do that. What you're going to need to do just to upload a single file is to go to this button on the top left here where it says upload. If you click on that and then click on file, you can find the file you want to upload. Let's find something to upload, something that's simple, this here. Okay, you will get this settings box come up. The important thing is perhaps to have none of these things ticked. You don't want to convert it to anything, you just want to keep it as a Word document or a PDF document, and you can then untick confirm, so you don't need to do this every single time. And then you click start upload, and then you can see it goes into a little dialog box down here, and then that file is then uploaded, and then I can upload that. When you click on it, it will open in a Google Documents window, but it's still a Word document, and when you download it, it will still be a Word document. Okay, so that's uploading an individual file. You can also upload folders. Maybe you've got a whole folder of material you'd like your students to view or to access, and again you go to the same thing here, and then you'll have folder instead of file. The first time you do this, there may be a setting there which says enable folders, which you'll need to click just the once, and then in the future you'll be able to upload folders. So if you go to folder and then you find the folder you want, let's go to the desktop here, random stuff, and say okay, that's the one we want. Upload it, and again you can see it's then now uploading my folder here. It'll take a little bit of time to do that. Depending on the size of your folder, it may take a little while, but that's slowly uploading here. And this will then show in this sort of list or sort of tree structure here, telling me all the documents and folders that I have in my collection. And you can see here these dark ones where it says random stuff, PAE05, these are actually sort of folders. They call them collections in Google Documents, but they're basically folders. These other ones are documents. Okay, different kinds as a Word document. Okay, so that's been finished now, and now I can then click on that, and I can see the documents which are inside that. Okay. Home. Alright, now probably the one thing you want to do after that is to be able to share those with your students so that they can then access either the file or the folder. I found the easiest thing to do, particularly for students, and if you're just uploading documents, readings for them to look at, is create a folder with that group's name on, and then share that whole folder, and then they can always access any documents you put inside it. So let's imagine that this is PAE05, this is my group, and I want to share this. Now to do this you have to you can either right click on it, and where you can see up here it says share, and then share again, and you click on that, and it gives you the option as to who you want to share this with. Okay. You can change how the folder is accessed. You can change whether it's just for people you specifically email and say these people can see this folder, or you can change it so that it's public. You can change it so everyone at the university can look at it. Probably for us the best setting is private, because we only want our students to access it. Okay, and then what we can do once we've added people to it, we can decide what they can do with the documents. Can they just view them? Can they edit them? Maybe if it's just for them to view and take these documents, then you may want to just put view. Okay, and save those changes. And then you can then add people who you want to share this with. And it gives you a box there, and you can choose from your contacts. So I can then go to all of my contacts. Okay, and let's say you can flick down your contacts, or you can just search for them. Let's say I search for, this is my wife, so I just quickly do it like this, and then add her. I'll just say done. Okay, and now I can then, let's not have hands there. Okay, so now I can send that. I can also send a message as well. Okay, and then I'll press share. Yes. Okay. And now this means that she will be sent an email saying that she can now view this collection or folder in Google Documents. Okay, and you can do that with individual documents. You can share individual documents, or you can share whole folders. And this is a way for students then to access this material, and they access it in the same way that you do. They go to their university mail, click on documents at the top, and then this allows them to see that. Okay, as I say, nice easy way to just create shared folders for just collecting classroom documents, and particularly if people have missed classes and they need to pick up a reading or something you've saved from the lesson. This is a really good way to do that. Okay.